So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about how you can download Geometry Dash 2.2 in your PC and laptop for free in your PC and laptop. So how to do this? Let's get started. What you have to do is make sure you have Steam installed in your PC. In order to install Steam, what you have to do is open any web browser you like. For my case, I'm just going to use Microsoft Edge and search for Steam download. Once you do this, just click on this download button which is below welcome to Steam. Just click on this and click on install Steam. Once you do this, this will install an installer for Steam, and after you run the installer, it will install Steam in the default location. Once the installation completes, you will find the Steam application on your desktop here. Just run this application and this will open your Steam. Make sure you have an account. If you don't have an account, you can always create a new account. Just create your account or log into your existing account, and once you do this, just search for Geometry Dash, and here you can see Geometry Dash. Just click on this and click on add to cart. After this, click on view my cart, and once you click on view my cart, just click on continue to payment. Now just add your card details and everything, and once you confirm the payment and send the payment, this will add to your library. After this, you just have to click on the game and click on install on anywhere you like. So yes, this is how you can get Geometry Dash in your PC and laptop in 2026. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.